Hello, this is Chris from Scoby IT with a quick tutorial on how to create email signatures. Right, as you can see, under my Outlook I have a couple of different signatures set up, and the general purpose of the signature is if you've got specific branding for a company, or if you have like a set sign off, it'll save you having to retype it or re-add it every time you create a new email to anybody, really. Right, so what you need to do is you need to start by clicking on File up in the top left hand corner, and then by clicking on Options, and then again on Mail, and then there's a button which says Signatures. And as you can see, I've got a couple already, and you can toggle between them so you can see what's on which one. But we'll start by creating a new one, and you can type a name for it, it's for your own reference. So just type anything that you would normally use as your sign off. So we'll make a nice simple one. And what you can do is, just like within Word, or just like within when you write a normal email, you have all the text formatting options just above it, so you can change the font size, make it italic or bold, change the colour, that sort of thing. You can add images within this, but it's worth noting it's a little bit buggy. So right, you click OK and it will save your signature, and then OK again. And as you can see, it's added our lovely new signature. And by clicking the signature button on the Home tab, you can obviously toggle between them. But we will now start by deleting this out, because what if you want a picture? It's worth noting, through the first method, the image formatting doesn't work all that well. So I find it a lot easier to write it out as if I would normally, and then we'll just copy and paste it in afterwards. So we'll just start by writing anything really. And then what I want to do is I want to add a nice picture of a big smiley face. So what you can do is you can go to Insert and Picture, then find a picture that you got somewhere on your computer. And the great thing about it is within a normal email you can scale it up or down, and it's relatively easy to do compared to the alternative. So I find it easier to scale everything down, and then obviously format it as appropriate, like I want it center aligned for this time. But it's worth noting that if you copy and highlight the signature, you can't right click and paste on it, because it tends to go into the image formatting option. So what you have to do is you actually have to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Control and C on the keyboard. So right, just as before, if we go into File, then Options, then to the Mail tab and to Signatures. And what we'll do is we'll just use this blank one for argument's sake, but to paste it in you have to use a keyboard shortcut of Control and V, or if you right click and go to paste, you need to keep the source formatting, otherwise it alters everything. Then up in this top right hand corner you can choose which signature you'd like to appear in different scenarios. So for new messages we'll use the one with a little picture on it. So again, click OK and OK it, then there you go. A lovely new signature to use all the time. Thanks very much. This is a quick tutorial from Chris at Scoby IT. Have a nice day.